The race to change allows players to explore how a diverse range of people react or respond to issues they may face in society. The game stimulates real-world operations and institutions by encouraging players to think about how each character will respond to different issues. It aims to educate through mimicking the democratic process of voting to determine the most effective and popular idea of active citizenship. The goal is to create positive change within the society, and players learn to collaborate and also compete with each other to achieve their objectives.
To begin the game, shuffle both the yellow character profile cards and the pink question cards. Place both piles in the middle of the board. Each player, excluding the judge, collects a yellow character card.
This profile card contains a character's age, gender, employment status, and biography information.
Okay, I'm Gary and I'm 24 and I work at a bar. I take up any job that's offered to me because my mum's diagnosed with breast cancer and I need to pay for treatment.
As a player, you have to represent this character and answer the issue cards in the way that your character would.
I will do some fundraising activities at my bar and do maybe even just a bar trivia night or something and raise money.
Okay. So I'm Rita, I'm 37, I'm a mining executive, so I have a high salary.
Each round, one player will play the role of the judge. This should alternate in a clockwise direction.
The question cards, or issue cards, which are in pink, display an issue or situation that needs to be solved by the characters in the game.
The judge then selects a pink question card and reads it out to the players.
In what way can you contribute to improving the rights of refugees and asylum seekers?
Once each player has read out their character card describing who they are,
My name's Nikki, I'm 48, I'm married with 2 kids and was a lawyer.
they then each have a minute to explain their answer in response to the question card.
I think that in our game,
If they talk for over a minute, the bell shall be rung by the judge.
please let me just say one more.
All players will then vote for who they believe has provided the best answer to the question.
So voting for Nikki.
This includes the judge, who has the final say in the case of a tie.
Because I voted for her, right? I didn't think the first one.
Yay! Okay. So now I
The player who receives the highest number of votes will then move forward the number of squares according to the number of players in the game. For example, if there are 4 people playing the game, they'll move forward 4 spaces. The player that receives the second highest number of votes then moves forward 1 less square than the winner of the round. All other players, including the judge, move forward 1 square.
Here is some extra information about the game. The Collaborate square. If you land on this square, you can pick another player's character and work with them. The 2 players then become a team for that 1 round. If the 2 players win or lose, they move or stay together.
Yeah.
The halftime square. The player only has half the time to explain their answer or response to the issue card. The double trouble square. If you land on this square, you move forward twice the amount of squares that you just moved forward in order to reach that square. The skip square. This means that you skip your turn. The pressure round square. If a player lands on this square, it means that every single player in the game only has half the amount of time to give their answer. The caught out square means that you move back 3 spaces.
The game is won when the first player reaches the end of the board.
Good luck and have fun playing the game.
Yay!